Good day, everyone. Welcome to PinChat. Let me explain how you can benefit from using PinChat. With PinChat, you can engage all your prospects and customers by just one link. You can also design your own personalized multi-link landing page, which we call Pinboard, using the no-code visualized panel. Share it with your followers on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Clubhouse, SoundCloud, YouTube, Vimeo, and any other platform, even physical flyers you use. In addition, PinChat offers a chat widget for live chat on your website. Choose the widget style, customize the button appearance, and then copy the one-line JavaScript code to your website to complete the integration. Set up the sub-account for your team of customer service with different authorities. Then they can start replying to messages from customers. Also, let me tell you what's the best. PinChat is available on the App Store and Google Play. You and your team can reply to messages from the app on the go. It's not over yet. PinChat has integrated plenty of social messengers, including WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Slack, and Line. It's helpful for you to manage the diverse prospects from multiple channels with one omni-channel. For the in-chat scenario, you can do more. You can set up the chatbot to enhance the customer experience and reduce the cost of human service. Moreover, your customer service team can be notified when the customer asks for real human service. What's even better, they can chat directly with global customers because PinChat provides in-chat translation. Next move, you will see how PinChat AI accelerates and improves service quality. In-chat surveys and reply requests are also great options to interact with your customers. All survey results and customer information will be stored in your dashboard. You can use user tags and folders to manage service status and categorize different sales leads. Furthermore, every chat log can be exported. In order to be an awesome chat commerce partner, PinChat has integrated in-chat payment to increase your order conversion. You only need to fill in the related information in the dashboard, and you can send out in-chat payment requests to your customers. Currently, PinChat supports Stripe, PayPal, and Line Pay as in-chat payment options. Last but not least, PinChat understands how important branding is. PinChat offers custom domains to enterprise. Integrating PinChat into your company? Easy peasy. If you want to monetize from your prospects more easily or improve delivery service to your customers, use PinChat. Sign up for an account on PinChat right now. Don't make your prospects and customers wait too long. They are eager to chat with you immediately. PinChat. Simple chat link for business.